So, hi, I'm at IIT Delhi today. Do you know what I am holding in my hands? So, let's ask with Rahul. He's from EVI who has been researching and developing this product from last 2 to 3 months, I guess.
So in this case, when student goes into some training institute for learning embedded courses, so they have very generalized modules like Arduino or Atmega and all that. So that is limiting their learning and understanding, which is lacking in the industry, right? So we have developed one ARM based module which is completely based on STM32 and IAR workbench and Keen workbench, which are industry tools. We can or the student can learn every peripherals which is being used in the industry, like I2C, SPI, UART, PWM, timers, DMA, and all that. So that the student can also learn the like bootloader and firmware upgradations through OTA features like that. So that is what this kit is all about.